Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to split screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, for example, I'm going to open my calendar application with my calculator application in split screen view mode. So first of all, we can open one of them. I'm going to open my calendar first. Then we can click on this recent button and click on the calendar icon right here, and we have some options. And since we want to choose split screen on our Samsung Galaxy phone, we can click on open in split screen view. And since I want to open my calendar with my calculator, so I'm just going to open my calculator. And as you can see that my calendar application with my calculator application have been opened in split screen view mode. And if you want to adjust the screen, you can click on this line. You can drag the line like this to adjust the screen. Alright guys, and that's how we can split screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.